Hi guys, this is
Hey,
a
Betty
special
Gordo.
game called Rubber Band game. First we have to take a tray and pour so many
దగ్గర
rubber
పెట్టుకో
bands
కప్పు
and take a small stick. With
30
take a
seconds.
small stick and one cup, any cup we want, not only same cup, any cup we can take. And one in
అది రాకపోతే ఇంకోటి
one
తీసుకో
minute.
అది వదిలేసి
How many rubber bands we can take? That many. We have to play with two numbers. Thank you. It is so nice game. Please subscribe. Vishal is there, right? He's my cousin brother. I will post him some videos.
Stop.
Please subscribe.
లెక్క
Please.
తర్వాత గేమ్ 2 minutes తర్వాత పెట్టు ఇక్కడ లెక్కే దీంట్లో అయ్యి ఒకేసారి గుడ్